This is another good example. We walk around, come to this point, and look at what they did. Once again, I asked them, what do you notice? What's the pattern do you notice? Tan and top. Some students might share, oh, we started off with 10 and 15, which was 150 points when we multiply, but they spread the 10 into 5 and 5, which becomes 25 instead of 10. But then again, they realize 5 is actually bigger when you have 2 and 3 spread into 2 plus 3. When you multiply, it becomes 6. So as you spread more and more, it becomes bigger than the previous number. And this is what they might see. So I'm not sharing everything, and I'm asking students to recognize what they see. I'm the guide, but students kind of gives the feedback to what they notice. And at this point, I might say, okay, I think we're seeing some kind of graph is happening. So let's graph this. So if we have this particular value here, this part is the product, the point. If we spread the number into 5, we got like 3,000. Let's say 3,000 is here. If it's 5, it's around 3,000. And if it's 1, if it's just adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 all the way to 25 of them, then the product is 1. So it's pretty small. And if we choose mostly 3, it's 6,000 something. And if you go closer and closer to 4,000, if you spread into 4, 5,000 something, and you might find some group finding a combination of 2 and 3, 8,000 or 9,000. So you can see it, the number seems to be approaching to some form of limit around 2 and 3, closer to 3. So that's where we ended. We used different groups examples, starting off with something similar to where we started off with, going off to a little bit more nuanced idea, building up to how we spread the number into graphing. Using these students' example, we are basically consolidating students' idea. We are organizing, structurizing, and formalizing the students' ideas through the students' examples. And that's what we do at the consolidation. This is example for spread 25. I hope you enjoyed.